Hello everyone, welcome to Happier Math. This time we will talk about hypothesis testing. Please look at this example. So during the pandemic, there are a lot of returning students to continue their education. It causes mean age of BMTC student and now it is claimed that the average age is older than 20 years old. So based on that, we can generate nor an alternative hypothesis, HO mu is less than or equal to 20 and HA mu is bigger than 20, and that's our claim. Okay, then now we'll go to Excel program and then I'm going to show you how to analyze this hypothesis testing based on collected data. So as you see, there are 30 random collected data here, and then I just make another column for population. So we just say that's 20 years old. Okay. So to analyze this data, you need to click data first. Then you must have this feature data analysis on the Excel spreadsheet. If you don't, then please watch my another video how to add data analysis tool into the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, now click data analysis. Now, from all these menu, you click t-test to sample assuming unequal values. The reason we are doing this because we don't have population, the standard deviation was given, and then also we have only 30 data. I know that 30 data also consider larger sample, but this case T is more accurate. So I'm going to select t-test to sample assuming unequal variance. Then now it will ask the range of the variable 1 and variables 2, and so alpha value here. So this time we will keep 0.05 as alpha value. If the question asks you maybe zero point 0.01 as alpha, then you just switch this is zero point 0.01, or this is alpha is 0.1 and switch to 0.1 like that. That's the only difference here. But this time we will keep 0.05. So the variable 1 range is your sample data. So I'm going to click the title and select all this data. And the variable 2 range means our population data. So you know that we select the population as 20. So just to make at least two population data like 20 and 20, and then click that. Okay, and then we want to label because we also select the titles. And as I told you, we give alpha 0.05 and upper range on this same spreadsheet. So I'm going to click around here and okay. All right, then now we have this t-test table here. So based on this, I'm gonna just delete G column here because we don't need it, and I'm gonna make it larger so that we can see a little better. And this one, just switch to hypothesize mean, and now I'm gonna switch the title, just the one sample uh, hypothesis testing. Okay. So based on that, now we are ready to analyze our hypothesis testing. So we will use most likely one tail case here. So that's our statistic value, and this is a one tail p value, and the t critical one tail value is this one here. Okay. So when I drew the graph, so t critical value located on the right side because this is right tail test, and that will be 1.699, and then our t score 2.515 here. Okay, and now, as you know, on the right tail test, is the left side become null hypothesis area, the right side become alternative hypothesis area, and this t-score is belongs to an HA, so we can reject HO. So even though we're using p-value, our p-value is 0.009 here, so our p equal to 0.0088, approximately 0.009, and our alpha equal to 0.05. Since alpha is much bigger than p-value, we also reject HO, so that we can conclude that there is enough evidence to support the claim. So that's our conclusion. Okay. Thank you, and then I'm gonna come back with a different video. All right. Thank you. Bye.